This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Henry Mata. Located in the heart of Tampa Palms is this gorgeous David Weekley built home. This warmed and cozy home provides an open floor plan with a spacious eat and kitchen perfect for holidays and family get-together. More of the features that this home provides are: freshly maintained air conditioner, second floor brand new air conditioner unit, 42 inches wood cabinets, granite countertops, kitchen, internal pre-wired sound system, and stainless steel gas appliances. Master room can be located on the first floor with a beautiful accent ceiling and oversized jacuzzi tub. Second floor will surprise you with ensuite bedroom and Jack and Jill bathrooms. You can also find 8 feet French doors in the family room and master with view to the patio. Easy access to shopping centers, restaurants, and all Tampa Palms amenities.